Dialogue. Imagine you are Sojal. The other day you enjoyed Shakespeare Turkish drama King Lear on TV. Your friend Alam also watched the drama with you at your house. Now make a dialogue between you and your friend Alam about your feeling after watching the TV drama King Lear. Sojal, hello, good morning. Alam, good morning. Sojal, how are you? Alam, not bad. But still I am very upset about the tragedy of King Lear. Sojal, me too. Alam, you are no. I couldn't even sleep well last night. I was haunted by the face of King Lear and Cardelier. Sojal, it's really a sad end. Alam, yes, but really hard to accept the fate they meet. Sojal, aren't you happy with the end of Goneril and region? Alam, yes, of course, they deserve the punishment. Sojal, King Lear should have been more thoughtful. Alam, you know that's the way the tragedy works. The hero must have some tragedy flow in his character leading to his downfall. Sojal, I am really appreciate how the main actor and actress played their parts. Alam, yes, I also agree with you. The act actually. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to watch the drama. Shajal, you are welcome. Alam, I have to go now. Bye. Shajal, goodbye.